All right, this is a Whirlpool dryer right here, and I'm going to show you how to empty the lint filter. There's two lint filters on here. I'm going to show you how to empty them both. Okay, I just finished washing my cycle right here, dried it, now it's time to empty it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the first filter, as you can see right here. This is the first filter. All right, and so what I'm going to do is get the lint from in here. You know, just typically just dig down in there, get the lint out like this. All right, here, make sure you clean this. Make sure you get all the lint as possible. If it's not coming out, damp your fingers a little bit. All right, and then pull out the lint. All right, just like that. Make sure you scrub it. But there's also another filter in here, okay? The other one is really crucial too. All right, so I have this. I'm gonna get that lint, put this out, and then I'm gonna put this back into place once I clear out the lint. Okay, make sure you put it in the right way. It goes all the way down. All right, oh, there's another piece right here. Gonna scrape that off right here. Don't want any lint going down in there. All right, so got that off. And then there's another lint filter. There's one right here. So did you see what I did? I just went right here, pressed this, and then pull this out. You have to pull this lever out, pull this out. And here is another lint filter right here. You see? Right here, and what you do, it says right here to remove filter to clean. So I'm gonna remove this, place this right here for a second. And then I'm going to get the lint from off of this, off of the exterior parts of it, right? I'm going to get that, and then I'm going to open it up. Okay, damp your fingers if you need to, and then remove this lint right here. All right, off of the inside. All right, I don't have a trash can, but so I'm gonna shake this onto the floor really quick. Do not do this. Put it in a trash can. I'm gonna do that, and then perhaps take a cloth and wipe down inside of this area right here where lint can somehow get in there. So you can take a cloth, remove some of this lint, put it on the floor. All right, and so I'm just, after you've done that, close it back up. Maybe take a cloth and wipe the exterior of it right here. Have a cloth down here. Wipe the exterior of it like this. Wipe it down. I'm going to get in the inside as well too. All right. Wipe the inside, then toss that, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here. So I'm going to take this, put it back in here properly, close it, and then I'm going to put it back into the compartment, push that down, close it, and now I'm ready to dry again. Let me know if you have any questions.